let's look at some commonly used features on the Self-serve Copier. Use the double-sided copying setting to photocopy on one side or both sides of a sheet of paper. Use the zoom function to enlarge or reduce the size of your document. Note that the copier is automatically set to 100%, which won't alter the size of your document. Use this setting to enlarge an A4 document to an A3 size. Make your copies lighter or darker with the density settings. With the combine setting, 2 or 4 originals can be printed onto one side of a piece of paper. This means that a multi-page document can be reduced and copied on the same side of a single sheet of paper. Use the card copy setting to copy licenses and ID cards onto one side of a sheet of paper. Use the image repeat function to repeat an image 2 or 4 times onto a single page. There are 2 ways to do this. Choose whole area repeat, which repeatedly copies the entire image, or choose specified area repeat, which repeatedly copies a specified area of the image. Use the original type settings to maximize quality when you're copying photos and maps. On the main screen, choose Others, then select Original Type Guidance. Then you'll see options for text, photos, and even more when you scroll, including maps.